Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's the Midnite Manager model in Sapphire color with white LED. This unit is very small and light. It weighs 1.6 ounces, so it won't add too much bulk to your keychain and weight to your pocket. Some of the tools I'll show you. Here you have a #1 Phillips. You have a bottle opener and a wire stripper. You have the blade. Scissors. Nail file and a standard screwdriver, flathead. You have the light. Push the little Swiss Army symbol down. And one of the most important features to me is the pen. With the pen, make sure that when you close it, you push down and down. When I first got it, I thought there was something wrong and it was stuck. So just remember, down and down. Another important thing to cover is the flashlight battery. It does not come installed, so in order to install it, by the way, there's no instruction manual that came with this, so you have to put a paper clip in that small hole, and then it slides across this battery compartment, and it opens this small door. You can see the little line there, and then you just slip the battery right in there and just close the little door. And of course you have the little ring for your keychain, and that about covers it. I hope that it lasts me a long time, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you.